Rheumatoid arthritis. Introduction. The cartilage at the ends of the bones in a joint acts as a cushion, allowing the joint to move easily and painlessly.
Select true or false.
Correct. All types of arthritis cause redness and swelling in joints.
Select true or false.
Correct. Not all types of arthritis cause redness and swelling. These signs are most common with rheumatoid arthritis. The deformity caused by rheumatoid arthritis appears gradually.
Select true or false.
Correct. Rheumatoid arthritis progresses over time. The speed at which advanced symptoms and complications appear differ from person to person. The causes of rheumatoid arthritis are well understood.
Select true or false.
Correct. Researchers know that rheumatoid arthritis is a disease of the immune system, but they have not yet figured out what starts it. Surgical treatment is the most common treatment of rheumatoid arthritis.
Select true or false.
Correct. Medication is the most common way to treat arthritis. In some cases, surgery may be recommended.
Thank you for using Explain.